guys, it's Gerard here, and I believe that you have seen this video. I mean, it's literally all over the internet. People telling you they can teach you how to do this video and all of that to fake video call on this. In this video, I am going to walk you guys on how to do this. But before that, I want to thank you guys so much. I want to thank you guys. It's been an amazing journey. It's been like literally over 2 years right now since I made my first video on how to fake video call using WhatsApp, Facebook, and host of other social media platforms. And the growth has been massive. The growth has been really, really massive. We have grown to, as of the time of recording this video, we have grown to 15,500 subscribers, and this is a lot, right? Growing this in the space of 2 years is a lot. I mean, it's something you're totally doing on the side. It's definitely a lot. It's a massive growth, and I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support I've been getting. I appreciate the love, the likes, the comments, and everything that I've been getting on this channel, and really happy to be on this journey with you guys. I know I've not been really making videos lately, but I promise I'm going to improve on that. I'm going to make more videos, I'm going to post more and bring you guys more latest tips on how to basically around the tech industry. But I'm going to stress on this is for educational purposes only, so please use this wisely. Don't use it to hurt anyone, don't use it to steal from anyone, don't use it to harm anyone. But now here's the thing here. I'm not going to drop the tutorial of this very video, fake video call, here on my YouTube channel for personal reasons. Okay, I'm not going to drop it here for my own personal reasons. I know I've been giving you guys free information in the past 2 years. I always post free information out here, but for this very one, I won't be posting it here on my YouTube channel. All right, if you need to know how, if you want to learn how to make this video call, this fake video call, this works basically on literally all social media platform. Okay, it works on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, FaceTime. Yeah, it also works on FaceTime. It also works on WhatsApp. I think I've mentioned WhatsApp here. Like literally every other social media platform. All right, this works on all of them. So if you need this, if you need to learn how to do this, if you're interested in learning how to use this very app, the tutorial step-by-step guide on how to do it, I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp link in the description below. All you have to do is just click on the link and message me and request for this tutorial, and I will give it to you. For now, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification, and don't forget to share this video to your friends who would be interested in also learning this tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you guys have been like really supportive. Okay, please continue. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. Very important. Make sure you share this video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, see you guys in the next